And it's fentanyl that's killing friends and neighbors. It's a crisis that's accelerated during the COVID-19 pandemic. State lawmakers want to crack down on fentanyl, which is linked to many of the deaths we're seeing due to these overdoses. CBS 17 Capitol reporter Michael Hyland has more.
A public health crisis made worse during the COVID-19 pandemic. After Randy Abbott lost his daughter Vanessa to a heroin overdose in 2015, he's worked to try to curb the opioid epidemic and save other families from having to share his grief.
Fentanyl definitely is a game changer.
Fentanyl is similar to morphine, but much more potent.
Fentanyl does not discriminate. It takes the rich, it takes the poor.
The State Department of Health and Human Services recently reported there was a 23% increase in visits to the ER in 2020 due to opioid overdoses. That was after 2 years of declines. The CDC also says deaths from overdoses accelerated as the COVID-19 pandemic began and states issued stay-at-home orders, with illicit fentanyl being the primary driver. On Tuesday, a group of Republican lawmakers and law enforcement officials called for changes. They want possession of fentanyl to be a felony and help police identify designer drugs.
I think this bill is more about the folks that are making the profit off other people's misery.
We cannot arrest our way out of this problem. We're never going to arrest our way out of it. And we need to be looking at ways to get people treatment rather than incarcerate them.
Abbott pointed to the state's recent Good Samaritan law, which protects people who call 911 to report an overdose. He worries about bills like this one deterring people who need help.
We're headed in the wrong direction, quite honestly.
Our goal has been to divert those folks to treatment is where they're needed.
Abbott says he thinks part of what's driven the rise in overdoses is that the pandemic cut people off from each other, so people lost their support systems. And he says addressing that is going to be key to turning the numbers back around.